This tutorial guides you through deploying the PKI Trust Manager Microsoft ADCS Proxy Gateway. We will begin by adding a service account user to the AD domain. Provision the domain service account as per your organization standard. This service account will be used to run the CA Proxy Gateway service and will be the CA manager. Ensure that the service account is the member of IIS-IUSE-R group, as well as member of CA admin group if you have one. Click OK to confirm the current action and continue. On a member server that will run the CA Proxy Gateway application, ensure that IIS Web Server is installed. If not, then through the Add Roles and Features wizard, add the necessary roles. Select the appropriate role installation option to continue. Choose the server selection to specify where roles will be installed. Expand WCF services and enable HTTP activation. Download the PKI Trust Manager CA Proxy Gateway app from Securetron website. Extract the downloaded zip file to inet pub directory and call it CA Proxy API. Open the properties of the CA Proxy API app folder to grant permissions to the previously created service account. Under the Security tab, add the service account and assign the appropriate permissions. Within the CA Proxy API folder, edit the web.config file using a text editor. Go to the App Settings section. We will need to modify first 3 lines corresponding to CA Store, CA, Config, and Log Path. The CA folder is where the issuing CA and CA chain in PIM format needs to be copied. Manually copy these from the Certificate Trust Store or from the CA. The 2 files are cacert.crt, which is the issuing CA, whereas the second file is cachain.crt, which corresponds to the root plus subordinate CA. The CA config refers to the config parameter in the output of certutel executed on the CA, to which the cProxy app will connect. It typically consists of fqdn\CA name. Finally, the last parameter to configure is the log path. The default value is the logs subdirectory. If the path of the logs directory is different, then enter it here. Also ensure that the service account has full permissions to the logs director. In the IIS Server Manager, let us add the CA Proxy app. Right-click on the sites. Click Add Website to create a new website configuration. Add the path of the CA Proxy app. Add the DNS URL for the site. You may need to add the DNS entry to your DNS server to point to the website. Click OK to confirm your settings and continue. Under the Application Pools, right-click on the newly created CA Proxy API site and select Advanced Setting. Within the Advanced Settings, replace the identity with the service account provisioned earlier. Click Response to view the response details. You have successfully deployed the PKI Trust Manager Microsoft CA ADCS Proxy Gateway by configuring required roles, features, and website settings. Verify the deployment by confirming all configurations and accessing the response section for validation. For more information, please visit our website or contact support if you require further assistance.